Much like the growing demand for mechanical keyboards among typists and gamers seeking precision and comfort, portable workbenches are gaining popularity among DIYers, woodworkers, and professionals who value flexibility, durability, and convenience. In this guide, we evaluate the best portable workbenches based on stability, load capacity, build quality, folding design, and value for money.
List number 1. Vevor 750W Stand Airless Paint Sprayer. Misplaced product notice, adjusted context. While not a traditional workbench, the Vevor 750W Stand Airless Paint Sprayer deserves a quick mention for professionals who need a durable, portable stand base and power platform for painting and refinishing tasks. The sturdy metal frame doubles as a solid support during operation, allowing users to work efficiently in various environments. Its stand-mounted design mimics a compact workbench's structure, offering portability and steady support. The 750-watt motor and airless pressure system provide reliable paint delivery for cabinetry, furniture, and woodworking projects, often done on portable workbenches. Combined with easy transport handles, this model represents how portable designs enhance efficiency.
List number 2. Keter Folding Work Table, Portable Workbench. The Keter Folding Work Table is one of the most popular portable workbenches for DIYers and professionals alike. Constructed from heavy-duty resin and aluminum, it offers a sturdy, weather-resistant surface that's ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Its quick open folding system lets you set it up or collapse it in seconds, no tools required. Despite its portability, it can handle an impressive 1,000 pounds of load capacity, perfect for sawing, drilling, clamping, and project assembly. It includes 2 adjustable clamps that secure materials in place for precise work, and its compact folded size makes storage simple. The integrated carry handle ensures easy transportation to job sites, garages, or even outdoors.
List number 3. Black & Decker Portable Workbench. The Black & Decker Portable Workbench, WM125, is a classic favorite for homeowners and handymen. Built with a steel frame and durable wooden vice jaws, it offers both stability and precision when working with materials of different sizes. This compact bench features adjustable swivel pegs for clamping irregular shapes securely, a must-have for woodworking and mechanical tasks. With a load capacity of up to 350 pounds, it's strong enough for most home projects, yet light enough to carry anywhere. The folding mechanism allows for easy storage in tight spaces, and the non-skid feet add extra safety during cutting or drilling. It's a reliable entry-level portable bench that packs surprising strength for its price.
List number 4. OnCupid Express Folding Work Table. The OnCupid Express Folding Work Table is a solid mid-range option for those who need versatility and ease of setup. Featuring a dual-mode design, it can function as a sawhorse or full workbench depending on the project's requirements. Built from reinforced plastic and aluminum, this table supports up to 1,000 pounds while remaining lightweight and easy to transport. It also includes built-in clamps and tool slots, allowing you to keep everything organized and within reach. The folding legs lock securely in place, and the table's non-slip surface ensures stability when handling heavy tools or materials. When folded, it becomes compact enough to fit into a car trunk or workshop corner.
List number 5. WorkS Portable Workbench and Sawhorse. The WorkS Portable Workbench and Sawhorse is a true workhorse for any garage or construction site. Designed to perform multiple roles, it can act as a work table, clamping station, or sawhorse, adapting to the job at hand. Made of reinforced steel and high-impact plastic, it boasts an impressive 1,000 pounds weight capacity per pair. The quick folding system allows instant setup, while the built-in carry handle makes transportation effortless. What makes it stand out is the interlocking capability. You can connect 2 units to expand your workspace. It also comes with clamps and integrated storage hooks, making it one of the most versatile portable workbenches on the market.